Good morning, Sadis. Today, Miss, we will start with the spelling lesson about the words with silent letters. Let's start with the student book, page 63. Now, some words have silent letters inside them. إيش معنى silent letters سادس؟ يعني you can't hear the letters when you say the words. Silent letters أو الأحرف الصامتة بمعنى إني أنا بلفظ الكلمة بدون لفظ واحد من الأحرف. Like when we say there are often flowers on the doll's apron. هنا في عندي often. The T is silent in often. So you can't hear the T in often. Let's go to exercise number 1. Listen and say these words and underline the silent letter. Let's listen to the words together. The first word Sadis is listen. Now we have here a listen, the T is silent. So we don't say listen, we say listen. We have the word cough, and you can see the picture here. In cough, the L is silent. And also we have a silent L in the word calm. Calm اللي هي بمعنى هادئ. We have the word castle, and the T here is silent. We have the word talk, and the L is silent. We have the word island, and the S is silent. We have the word whistle, and the T is silent. And we have the word palm اللي هي معناها نخيل, and the L here is silent. So after you listen and say, you have to underline the silent letters as you can see in the picture. Now let's move to exercise number 2. Write the words. Write the word that has silent S. طبعا هون احنا رح ناخد الكلمات من exercise number 1. Now the word that had the silent S is island. Number 2. Write the 3 words that have a silent T. Now we have listen, we have castle, and whistle. Write 4 words that have a silent L. We have the words cough, calm, talk, and palm. Now think of the word sadis. This word means to go on 2 legs. إنه يكون في ممشى على رجلتين, and it rhymes with talk. Rhymes يعني إنها بتكون على نفس النغمة أو بنفس النهاية, and here the answer is walk. This word means one of the 2 equal parts, and it rhymes with cough. Now here we have 2 of equal parts, or 1 of 2 equal parts. جزء من جزئين متساويين, فهنا أنا راح يكون في عندي اللي هي النصف, and it rhymes with cough, then it is the word half. Okay, now let's go to the workbook, page 46. Remember that some words have silent letters inside them. You can't hear the letter when you say the words. Let's start with exercise number 1. Complete the words and use the silent T or silent L. Let's start with number 1. Now we can see the boys are talking to each other. So here we have the verb talk and the silent L. And here we have a radio, so the boy is listening to the radio, and we have silent T. Here we have whistle. Whistle. شوفي سادس هون silent هي T, لكن احنا رح نكتب ال L. Here we have a palm, نخيل, and here we have a cough. Then we have castle with silent T, and we have half of the jug, منتصف أو نصفه. And finally we have the last word walk with silent L. Now write the words and underline the silent letters. نرجع نعيدهم سادس. في عندي هنا the palm, and we have to underline the L. Here we have the half of the jug, so we have to underline the L. We have a cough, underline the L. And they are walking, so walk with underlining the L. And here we have talk, underline the L. And castle with underlining the T. And listen, also we have silent T. And we have whistle with silent T. Now we have the last exercise 3. Write the silent letters in these words. We have here the word island. In island we have a silent S, and we have the word often, in which we have a silent T. Write one sentence using these two words. بدي استخدم جملة يكون فيها الكلمتين التنتين. الآن أنا راح أعطيكي مثال على هاي الجملة، وبإمكانك إنك تستخدمي مثال من عندك. Like we can say, we often go to islands on holiday. So here we have often and we have islands in the same sentence. And by that, Sadis Afwan, we have reached to the end of our class today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.